Hello everybody and welcome back to another video by Funland Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to be looking at the technical side of the Heckscher-Ohlin model. So we discussed about the Heckscher-Ohlin model in a little bit of sort of a very brief overview of the Heckscher-Ohlin model. So today we are going to be looking at the technological aspect. Now, the technological aspect of or the technical aspect basically deals with some sort of mathematical expression for the Heckscher-Ohlin model. And there are actually two ways of thinking about this model. So, one is the physical definition. And the other is, let me just take another color. So, the other is the price definition. Now, what is the physical definition? What is the price definition? Basically, this definition actually helps us understand the word abundance, right? So, the physical definition essentially says that A is labor abundant. So, the economy A can be called labor abundant, or B, the country B is capital abundant. The country B can be called capital abundant if a particular condition holds. Now, what is the physical definition? The physical definition is actually talking about the labor and capital endowments of the two economies. So, it talks about the labor and capital endowments of the two economies. What do we mean by that? Let's look at the capital labor ratios. So, let's say we have LA, we have LB, and we have KA. Sorry, if we have KA and we have KB. Now, if we are comparing, we always have to compare in a systematic way. So, we can't write KB and KA here and LA and LB here. So, we have to keep it in the same fashion. So, A is labor abundant. If A is labor abundant, that means the labor in A should be greater. So, this is actually the expression for labor abundance in economy A. Now, if I write this in the reverse order, that is, if I take the reciprocal, then I can write LB by LA is less than KB by KA. Now, you see KB is high. So, in B economy, K is high. That is matching with B is capital abundant. So, this is basically the physical definition of A being labor abundant or B being capital abundant. Right. It follows from here that if labor is high in the A economy, then WA should be low. So, basically, we can write that WA by WB say, and if we compare that to RA by RB, R being the interest rate, which is the factor income for capital, if LA is high, WA should be low. We have more labor, so of course our wage will be less. That would be on this side, right? And similarly, if we take reciprocal, then we'll have WB by WA is greater than RB by RA. See, RB is less. If RB is less, it means KB has to be high, which again satisfy the KB is capital abundant concept or the part of the theorem. So, this is basically the physical definition of the Heckscher-Ohlin, the physical definition concerned with the Heckscher-Ohlin model.